This is Griffith Observatory today. Um, I've always wanted to come here for a couple of reasons. One, the Paula Abdul video back in the day, Rush Rush with Keanu Reeves, um, kind of a James Dean playoff in
But you
that
go on
music
the other
video,
side of
and of
I
course,
guess you go
two,
clockwise.
GTA. Yes, we play GTA. So this was a definite must in Los Angeles. It's a stunning landmark. It's right on the slope of Mount Hollywood. Um, Breathtaking views. You can see downtown LA, Hollywood, and the Hollywood sign. The observatory itself is famous for its space and science related exhibits, its free public telescopes, planetarium. Unfortunately, the day that we went, they did not open up until 12, and it was a very cold, rainy, chill day. Um, so we weren't there that long, and it was definitely before 12. But still, people out there hiking on the trails. Um, so thank you for watching. Enjoy the video.
There's the city out way out in the distance. Hey, now I wish I brought that one with the hood.